Welcome everybody. Another Masters of the Universe week this week. I decided start off with Mekaneck. I have lost the back of his armor, so all I've got's I'm like 99% sure that was his. I could, look on Google and find out, but I've not done that yet. Turn off the overhead lights a little better. He's got full-on mirrored goggles. They were mirrored before then. Of course, Mekaneck, his gimmick was his head popped up. Be a lookout for stuff. That's, of course, with that means he doesn't have the power punch action. His can't even go that way. It's only that way to make the Mekaneck action. Typical fuzzy breeches and boots for the legs, and colored. The gauntlets are the same color as his skin, slightly bigger on the left hand. Obviously, a little discoloration between his arms and his torso here. Like I say, got some. I don't know if that's supposed to sort of represent circuitry or what on his. I guess it is a cybernetic neck. Sort of, I'll say, but it seems like in the cartoon, if I remember correctly, I might just be making it up, but his neck went a whole lot further than that. He could go around corners and look everywhere. He was far more useful than just that. Of course, the paint is whatever paint they used peeled off this red. And that was almost instantly that paint came off. I remember whenever that started happening, it was still a relatively new character, little playtime, but it's that. But anyway, that's Mekaneck and half of his armor. And you know what? I think I've got his weapon downstairs. I'll be right back if I do. I'm going to check on that. I did. I don't know what made me think of that. I had seen this one there. I'd forgotten. Actually, hollow in there. But I remember seeing that in the box, and I sort of forgot that was his, but I sort of remembered. But I checked on Google, and that is his armor and his weapon. I will probably just. I don't have the. Okay. I'll probably zip tie this armor in place, but just so it sort of looked like when it's on display, looked like it's supposed to be there. Find a way to sort of secure it. But anyway, that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from. And I'll see you next time.